Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Power BI Guru. Today we will learn about date table in Power BI and how we use that. So let's understand one scenario where we need it. So let's see. So let's suppose we have two tables. One is with the order details and second one is the product details. So order details has order date and product details has product manufacturing date. So these two dates, if we want to do some filter on the report, then how we will do? Either we have to keep both of the dates, or we can do one more thing. We can just click create a date dimension table and copy this create a date dimension table, and after this we can link on both of the dates to the date table. So let's see how we do this. So this is my YouTube channel Power BI Guru. So this is date table in Power BI, and what is the syntax of this text query? So this is list.dates. Here we will give from where we will start our date, the starting date, and till how many numbers we need to increase that date. Means for the for 1 year 365, for 2 years 2 into 365, like that we will do. And what is the duration, means what is the interval. Means here we have given 1 day, means each day it will increase like this. So let's see on the report side. So let's create a new report. It's opening currently. I've created two Excel files, one for the sales data and one for the inventory, or we can say stock, where we have all product information. So these two tables, we will be importing this data as Excel in Power BI. So this is our new report. See, get data from Excel workbook. So this is data. We can open this. Now data is already loading in my report. So this is sales data. Let's load it. Now, sorry, it is loading the data. Now we can load another table. Inventory data. We can see our sales data is here, inventory data is here. So what we need to do? We need to map this MFC date and sales data, this order date. So for this we need a one date table. So let's see how we do this. So get data. We can use blank query here. We go to advanced editor, and here we will write list.dates, list dot dates, this one. So now we will write has date from where we want to start. So I want to start from 2022, comma 1. This is my start date. So how many years we want to use that data? So let's suppose 3 years we want to use. So if we go for the 3 years, so 365 into 3, it will be 1095, comma. Now we will use duration. We need to put hash as well. So it will be 1, 0, 0, 0. So 1 for day, hour, minute and second. So this is done, and we can see our list column is already created here. So what we will do next, we will convert this to date table. So here we can see the values are coming in ABC or 1, 2, 3. So this we will convert in date. Change type, and here we select date. Here we can change the data format, means to other type as well. So date we will select here. So now this is a date one, and if we want to use this year, month and date as a separate columns, then what we need to do, we just duplicate this column. So here we have created this for year. So now we will transform this to year. So again we need to do it for month as well. So again duplicate column, create it as a month. Now if we want to do it for week as well, weekday or other things like date or day. So here we can see day. So day again we can say, or day name, whatever we need to do, that we can do. The next thing, we can see the day name as well. So again duplicate column, and we can transform it to day, name of day. So this is how we have converted here. Now we can rename all these things as appropriate names, like this is not a query one, this is our dim table, dim date table. So we can say dim date. This is date column. This one is year. This is representing month, and this one is day, and this one is day name. So this is how we do, and each of the operation is recorded here in all these steps. So if we want to see our first operation, means what was the initial one, so this query one we can see here, it was like this. Again we convert it to table, then we change the type of column, then duplicate this column. After this we extract the year format only. So like this we can see all the steps. So now we can close and apply. So here we have all the options: apply, close and apply. So we can perform close and apply to save our changes. Now it is loading the data. So if we want to see our data, we can see here, this is sales data, this is inventory, this is dim date. So here we can see the data will be loaded till 3 years, 30 December 2024, starting from 2022. So now the next thing, we need to map these tables to these date functions and date fields. So where is our dim date? Dim date is this one. So we can keep it in middle here, and this date will map it to MFG date. So mapping is already created here. Again this date we will map it to order date. So 2 mappings are already created, and this one is 1 to 1. Actually this we need to do it 1 to many, because inventory can have multiple dates. So dim date is 1, and here it is many, so it will be 1 to many. So now we can see here it is created as one to many. So like this we can load our date and create our visuals here. Thank you.